Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Begin by inspecting the only way metal detector raft and gear carefully. Inflate each raft chamber to 3. 5 sigh and inspect seams for bubbles. Attach the detector control box to the transom mount using the provided bolts. Run the 10 FT tether neatly along the support rail and clip it to the D-ring. Place one 12V battery into the sealed compartment and fasten the battery strap. Confirm all connectors are dry and firmly locked before powering the system. Power the system while holding the raft steady and perform a calibration routine. Adjust sensitivity to local water depth and mineralization levels before starting a sweep. Set the detector to discriminant mode to reduce trash targets and save battery life. Launch into shallow water and maintain a 3 to 5 mph trolling speed while sweeping the coil. Keep the coil positioned 1 to 3 inches above the bottom, and use headphones to listen for consistent targets. When the detector signals, mark the target location on the GPS and stop the raft. Lower the recovery arm slowly and use the scoop to recover items without dragging the coil. Log each find with depth, time, and target tone to build a useful database. After the session, rinse the detector and raft with fresh water to remove salt and grit, then dry thoroughly. Recharge the 12V battery after use and inspect all cables and connectors for corrosion or wear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.